guys, next up is Sundial, or ticker symbol SNDL. I have my lines and graphs already set, you guys. So we're starting from a higher time, that being the daily interval. So I have my support and resistance lines already set. So let me go ahead and explain those to my new viewers really quick. So this top line is a major resistance line. You can see that we were rejected in this area, over here, and over here. On the opposite side, what once worked as resistance will work as support. You can see that we bounced up from this level and ultimately broke underneath over here. So over here is our major support line. You can see that we were chopping and bouncing around on this level for a good minute, for about almost 2 weeks. And then underneath we had resistance over here and back here. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. So this major support line was holding us up for quite a bit, and that was around the 85 cent to 78 cent area. We finally broke below that, and we came back up twice trying to break past this resistance and create this upward trend. However, we did not, you guys. We got rejected and are starting to pull back. We did create a new low. So with us being under this resistance and creating a new low, more than likely we're going to be continuing this downward trend. As of right now, we are below the trend line. On the RSI, we can see that we're a little bit oversold, but that doesn't mean that we can continue this downward trend. Let me check the volume real quick. We're at 14 million, which is good. Like I said, we want to stay above at least that 15%, or I'm sorry, that 150,000 volume. Because anything lower than that, we're going to be in a slow moving stock. But anyways, you guys, with us breaking this new low, you guys, we look left, we can see that we have no prior resistance besides up here. And so more than likely we'll be pulling back down to this next level of major support, you guys. And that is going to be at the 42 cent or 44 cent area, you guys. So getting in right now would not be the smartest decision unless we can pivot back up and break past this resistance area, that being at the 82 cent. So if we can break past this 82 cents, come up and come back down and retest this support level, and to show that buyers are stepping up and confirm that we are in an upward trend, then that could that could be an ideal entry. And then you would have your stop loss back on the opposite side at the 77 cent area. And so if we do break below that, then we'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry. But if we do not pivot and break above this resistance, and we do continue this downward trend, you guys, then all we can do is really wait for us to pull back down to this major support line at the 43 or 44 cent area. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for us to at least pull back as much as we can from this this downtrend that we have, since we did break below this support line. And I would probably load up around the 43 cent area, and then have my stop loss underneath the... Man, that's really close. Probably underneath the 25 cent area, because I'm going to be holding long term. So if you're day trading or scalp trading, your stop loss and targets are going to be different. You just break down to a smaller time frame. But other than that, you guys, I like to make these videos as fast and as efficient as possible. And if I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. Let me go over one more thing. And they have a earnings report today, you guys. That'll probably be after market, so keep that in mind as well, because it'll get very, very, very volatile. Okay, so we can go in either directions tomorrow with this earnings report. So that being said, you guys, be very careful and always wait for the best entry. Okay, other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.